हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हो आप सब? आशा करती हूँ बहुत अच्छे होंगे। सो आज का जो हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट है या फिर ट्यूटोरियल है, ये आइज़ के रिलेटेड है। अभी तक आपने देखा होगा कि मैं हमेशा आई मेकअप करती हूँ, लेकिन मैंने कभी फॉल्स लैशेज़, फेक लैशेज़, जो भी आपको लगे, मैंने कभी अप्लाई नहीं किया है। सो आज हम सीखने वाले हैं कि हाउ टू अप्लाई फॉल्स लैशेज़ स्टेप बाय स्टेप। सो इसके लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए होगा, आई विल डेफिनेटली टेल यू इन द वीडियो एज वी गेट स्टार्टेड। बिफोर दैट, इफ यू आर वॉचिंग माई चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम, प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर with your friend and family members, and please do watch my video till the end if you want to apply the fake lashes, and it should long last the entire day till the time you don't remove it. Okay, so let's get started. What all things we require, like to apply false lashes? First thing, we need false lashes. So this I have ordered from Purple, and this is Brosen Professional eyelashes. This actually look like natural one. The packaging is this kind of, and the price of this lash was 150 rupees, so I got it at the discount of 120. So I thought I should do some tutorial which is related to false lashes. Actually look like this is very thin, so ये आपको पूरा natural look देगी। and इसके अलावा हमें क्या चाहिए? वी नीड सीजर। कैसे भी ले सकते हो, बड़ा छोटा जो भी है आपके पास अवेलेबल, हम वो ले सकते हैं। इसके बाद में ट्वीज़र। सी ट्वीज़र बेसिकली मैंने देखा है सबको ट्वीज़र से अप्लाई करते, बट आई am not fond of tweezer. I will prefer my hand to use. Still I will tell you ke how to use tweezer while we are applying the fall lashes. Then one more thing, we need a mascara. So mascara is required, and last but not the least, this false lashes. This is lash fixer. This I was having, it's belong from PAC, and it cost me around 395 rupees, but this is very good. Means you can definitely go for this one. This is only the thing is this is expensive, but it is very good while as an applicator. So if you want, you can go for this one also. This is PAC lash fixer. Okay, so now we have come to know like what all the things we require. So now we'll open this. This actually open from, so after opening this actually look like this. So you don't have to get confused. The way it is shown, like this will go to the right hand side and this will go to the left hand side. Tweezer, why we require, we will be holding it like this and removing, but not the hair from the end. So this is very thin. This is very thin. Matlab, I thought it should be natural. Let's see how does it look like after I'll apply on my eyelashes. So you can see there is, this thing is extra. This transparent thing, if you can see, these are the extra. Before that, like this is sticky little bit. So what you have to do, you have to just put on your lashes and you can check your length. I have already checked, like this entire thing will fix on my eyes. So because it depends eye to eye, my eyes is little bit broad and some has small eyes, so they need to check if this thing will fit or not. So this extra thing, this transparent thing, I am going to cut off. So I took the scissor and this extra thing I'm just going to, okay, so now we are done with this. After we have this in our hand, we need to just bend. Okay, so I am just turning this so it can give you a curve. Okay, so now you can see this has already a curved thing. You have to hold it like this. Okay. So we are going to just curl our lashes. Lash glue. So the best part of this, it just look like a liner, and it has very thin tip. See, so this how you have to apply, the way you apply the liner, only it has to be near to your eyes. See, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you can actually feel the glue is little bit sticky and kind of also. So hold the lashes like this, or you can use a tweezer to hold it like this. So I'm using a mirror. First you have to place in the center. So I have already placed in the center. Now you have to press the corners. So you can make out my false lashes, hopefully. So the best part is, like, after applying the glue, you just have to place it on the center, so you can see. So I'm done with both the eyes. अब हम इसके ऊपर लगाएंगे लाइनर, या फिर अगर किसी को काजल से पसंद है, बिकॉज टुडे आई हैव नॉट डन एनी आई मेकअप, तो टुडे आई विल बी अप्लाइंग काजल ऑन इंस्टेड ऑफ लाइनर. So you can see I have applied kajal on my instead of liner. So did you like my video? If you like it, please do subscribe my channel and comment me which tutorial you want to see. Is it related to bridal, mehendi party, haldi party, or any dewy makeup tutorial? Please do let me know. Till then, bye bye. See you in my next video. Take care.